Welcome to my channel everyone. Today topic is how to install ChatGPT and using into your mobile phone, Android and iOS. Now I will explain. Hi everyone, welcome to back my channel. Today I am going to show you step by step installing ChatGPT on your phone. Start off using like a pro, where you are Android iOS users are to cover. Let us. ChatGPT is an amazing AI assistant. By opening AI helps you answer questions, write emails, learn new likes, and much more. Let us easy to set up, and I guide you throughout the process right now. This is the first head your app store. If you are Android, open Google Play Store. If you are opening iPhone, go to the App Store and then search bar and type to ChatGPT and looks for an official app by OpenAI should be having this log. The tab download get let us install the small app and the should be only taken minutes. The once app open it and you will see option either log or sign up. You already have open AI account, log in with your credential, otherwise tag sign up creating new account. This once you are logged in your ChatGPT account, immediately type your question and it is providing with the answer where you are looking for your productivity. Act with help. Just want to chart app as you covered. This happy tips gets most ChatGPT is specify with your questions get better answers. Use app different languages support many upgrade ChatGPT plus you are need to faster response advanced features. The ChatGPT on your phone. If you found this video is helpful, give thumbs up and forget don't subscribe more tech tips and exploring the ChatGPT. Let us know comments you are using. See you the next video.